Guys, magandang hapon. Good evening, good afternoon everyone. So, I have some question in my mind because this is my, yes, 77 before, 76 view, 76 revenue. Yan, 76 revenue. So, question is why it is happening to my YouTube channel. 76 revenue estimated. So it's come to the reality is only 9.9. Before that, it is 8 point something. But only $1 can add. So what happened of this? This is $9. Yes. So $9. The estimated revenue is 7.9, and this is the $9. What? Why? What has happened?